This is part 4 of what's inside the RoadMap course. But first, make sure you save this video so you can come back to it later. Module 3, building a solid business base. It's got 6 courses, like videos, okay? The first one is the essence of business foundations, crafting a mission and vision statement, core values and ethics, business goals and objectives, understanding business models, and business legal structure basis. Now, you think digital, you think social media, this and that. These guys, or this course, which are created by Zach and Hannah, caters to building a business for you. Because you're not just going to be, oh, personal, hi, I'm this person, and not really make any money. They'll teach you how to build a business, select the proper business structure, and then go all the way to naming your business and structuring so you can succeed with this. So it's really cool, learning lots. Stay tuned for part 5.